Hi guys, this is a really cool app, Hound. If you play any music, then it will tell which is it. So here, for example, I play ACDC's Back in Black. Don't say anything between it, or it will not recognize it correctly. Sometimes it will do like this, but don't worry. See, for other example, I'll take Hotel California by Eagles. See, it's a really cool thing. And for the other example, I take Michael Jackson's Bad. See, I suggest you all of you to download it. It's called the Hound. And remember, don't speak anything between it or it will not recognize the song correctly. Thanks.